Now here see, we'll go for our practice set number 31. See, in the practice set number 31, they are given some questions. You want to draw this bar graph or joint bar graphs. Okay, here see, the number of sapling planted by the school on the World Tree Day is given in the table, and draw the joint bar graph shows in this figure. See here, name of the sapling they are given: almond, karanji, neem, ashok and gulmohar. And the school name they are given: Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya. And number of plants, how many? Nutan Vidyalaya, they put the 40 plant of almond. Bharat Vidyalaya, they put the almond part with the 42. You want to compare these two. For that one, you want to draw the joint bar graph. Then here, how to draw the joint bar graph? See here, I am showing this graph paper, and I already drawn this joint bar graph. Then see, this will be the graph paper. In that graph paper, see, you have to purchase one book for our graph book. We have to for this lesson, because you want to make one separate book for this one, because you can't show this joint bar graph in our regular CW book. Then you purchase one our graph book, and here see, you can see it in that one. You can see the blocks are there. In every blocks, whatever the small lines, they will be the 10 are there. Then here see, in when you are using this one, see here I am using compulsory here pencil. On this, when you are using this graph paper, compulsory you have to use here pencil, don't use here pen. Okay, then here at the top I written question number 1, and you also will write like that way also. Here at the corner you have to write the scale on a y-axis is equal to 1 centimeter equal to how much you are taken. And again here I shown the completely blank will be for Nutan Vidyalaya, and a colorful with a pencil I done, that will be our Bharat Vidyalaya drawn here. Okay, then here I want to draw the joint bar graph. See here how I can draw. See in your textbook, this side on the right hand side you write the table, and at this side you have to draw the graph in your graph book. Okay, then here see, first you want to draw the x-axis, mention x-axis, then you draw here y-axis, leaving from down 2 line you leave, and here from side 2 line you leave, and you write here y-axis, and here you show the origin O. Then afterwards see here what we will do. Here 3 it means 1 2 3 there. See here at the center, here you write here almond. Okay, then after that again 1 2 3 leave it. Then here in the center what will come? Karanja. Then next after 1 2 3 here will come neem. Okay, then again after 1 2 3 here will come here our ashok. Then next one 1 2 3 gulmohar. Like that way here every time. First you take the on x-axis all these things properly, and here see on the y-axis here I taken, or here I decided the scale will be the 1 centimeter equal to 10 sapling I decided, because here see the number minimum and maximum you want. Okay, then here I taken x-axis equal to 10 20 30 40 50. This will be the scale. Okay, then here see I want to draw the almond will be 40 and 42 are there. Then see here almond of Nutan Vidyalaya I will show here with a blank one. Then here see, then one gap you take, and here you will see here 40, here you mark it and draw one bar graph. Again joint one more bar graph you want to draw for Bharat Vidyalaya, that is 42 are there, means after 42 lines, that is 42 will get here one joint bar graph. Again here see the Karanja. For Karanja will be Nutan Vidyalaya they put 60, means here 60 you mark. And again the 38 Bharat Vidyalaya, means 38 means after 38 lines, that is 38, means here see you will be get the joint bar graph for almond, joint bar graph for Karanja. Like that way you can draw for our neem, like that way you can draw with our ashoka, and like that way you can draw for our gulmohar. Then this will be the joint bar graph for one I shown here how to draw it, and the same way you can use this in your graph paper how to draw it. Okay, then see same way you have to draw it, because this lesson is very very important, and in exam minimum one question like that type of question will be asked for you for near about 3 to 4 marks. Okay, therefore this joint bar graph you have to be understand. Okay, then here like this way you can go for our next questions also. See here they are given here first question, again here they are given here second question related to our table below shows the number of people who had a different juices they are given here. Then see on y-axis, x-axis they are taken the fruits, and on y-axis you take the number of people, and here you write a scale as well as here you mention which building for which color and all. Okay, again for third one also they are shown. Same thing you want to do it. Again you can go for our fourth one question also, and again you can go for our fifth one also, and again sixth one, and again the seventh one question. Then this will be the some bar graph they are given here. Total here they are given the 8 questions. You want to complete it in your graph book, these things. Okay, and see, this is a very easy one, and from the using our textbooks and whatever I am showing the videos, you can complete this lesson in your graph book. Okay, and next week we'll go for our next part.